The term eternal mother's love does not apply in the world of the jacana bird. This is because the behavior of the female is only responsible for laying eggs. The females will leave and look for another male to mate again, and so on. Meanwhile, the task of raising his children is a task that the male must do himself. These feet and claws function to balance jacana's body weight evenly so that she can walk easily on lotus leaves. However, there is something unique about this animal, namely that males can carry their young to hide under the male's wings. Even though the female has a bad character for the child, this kind of breeding process helps maintain the world's population of jacana.